Our focus today is on how to create different file types on Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, whether I want to create documents, Excel, PowerPoint presentation file, OneNote notebook, and other types of file that are owned by Microsoft, you can create them directly on OneDrive. So follow me as I put you through on the steps you are going to take to get that achieved. First, open your web browser. Here I'm using Microsoft Edge, okay? But you can use Chrome. What is more important is that you can be able to sign in into your OneDrive account, irrespective of the browser you are using. So I have bookmarked OneDrive here, so I'll click on it for it to open. You can see the link onedrive.live.com. Okay, this takes us to this page, and I want us to start with document file creation. The first step to achieve that is click on create and or upload. Then this gives you some options. You can see some file types here: Word document, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote notebook, forms survey, text document. Okay, so from here you can start creating any file type of your choice. So we take them one after the other, but hold on to here because there is a little thing you need to know about forms survey. All right, that is different from all these other files type. So let's start with Word document. So I'll click on Word document. This file will open in a new tab of the browser. Okay, here is guiding us on what to do. Show your style with images. Add impact, creativity, and humor by choosing from hundreds of different illustrations. Find eight on inserts, pictures, and stock images. So it's okay. We don't want this guide because we already know how to use Microsoft Word application. All right. So first is to name your file. So here, you click here and then give your file a name. By default, it comes with the name document. So click here and then give it a name of your choice. So let's say this file I want to create is on the importance of software, importance of learning software. Okay, so I can call it software importance. Okay, then you don't need to click on any save button at all once you do this because everything is backed up on OneDrive. As you're creating this file, is backed up on cloud. So just click out, okay? So you can see the name is saved automatically. So let's say I want to create this importance. So type what you want to create, okay? What you want to have in your document, okay? Okay, here I'm done typing this. Let's say I want to make this a heading. I'll select it. Then just like the way you use your normal Word document, I'll click here and then select heading one. So just fill your word with so many information you want to have in it, with so many text. So with the assumption that you're done creating this document at this stage, what you need to do is just to close this, okay? So I'll close this tab and everything is automatically saved in Drive. So let's scroll down to see if we can see this file. You can see here now, we are back on our OneDrive account. You can see software importance. So any file you're creating gets automatically saved on the drive. Okay, though this is created on my files major folder of OneDrive, you may have a special folder you created by yourself and you want everything to be saved inside that particular folder. Or you may like to create a new folder and be saving everything there. It's doable. So all you need to do is just create the folder. After that, open the folder. So here, let's say I want to save the files in the education folder. I'll just click on it for it to open. So inside this education folder, I can say, okay, I want to create some files that we backed up here. So I have done Microsoft Word. So let's go to Excel. So as usual, click here, create or upload and select Excel workbook. Okay, as usual, this will open on a new tab. So you fill all the information you want to have in the Excel and everything is automatically backed up on OneDrive. All right. So let's say I call this courses I offer. So I'll click here where you have book and give it a title of your choice. Okay, here I give this GTech students. Okay, so after that, just click inside the spreadsheet. Then you start creating your information. Okay, so maybe I want to use this. I want to back up the names of my students that are offering the courses I offer in my academy. So here I will have name. I'll click here and have maybe the age, okay, of the student. So create your file the way you want to have it. So let's say my first student is Mike, Smart Mike, okay? Then here is Richard Great, okay? So have filled the age section. How old is Smart? Smart is 17. Then Richard is 19, all right? So just fill your information. After you are done filling it, just close the tab, okay? And you can see this file is automatically created inside this new folder, okay? So let's go back to the home. Okay, so we are back to my files. So if you want to create another new file, just click here. Maybe you want to create PowerPoint, select it, follow the same step. You want to create OneNote, select it, follow the same step. You want to create forms or text, the same step. But here I want us to work on forms because you may have difficulty if you want to create it on your own. Okay, so to create forms, as you have clicked on this create or upload, click on form survey. Okay, now that our survey area has opened, I want to create a survey based on our YouTube channel and I want to focus on mobile app, what mobile app. So I will title this Godwin Tech. Okay, so that is the title, Godwin Tech World Mobile Survey. So I'll click here to introduce a logo of my platform, okay, my YouTube channel. Good. I want this logo to accompany this, but it's a choice. If you don't want to add any image, forget about it. So here I will ask my question. Okay, the question raised, is Godwin Tech YouTube channel a good place to learn how to use Microsoft Word mobile app? On my channel, I teach Word mobile and I have a lot of videos there, okay? So I want to make a survey asking my audience on whether the channel teaches the parts of Microsoft Word very well. So once you're done with this section, all you need to do is you can change the theme. So click here and then select a new theme of your choice. It will be applied at the background. I like this, so I'll click on this. Okay, you can see how it has applied to the background of this survey. So I'll click there for it to be removed. Okay, then the next step is to click on add new. As you click on add new, select the kind of answer you want from your audience. Do you want choice, which is yes or no, or you want text, or you want written, or you want dates? If you need something more, click here to see more question types, okay? But here, let's go with choice. So I'll click on choice. Then the first choice is yes. Then the second choice is no. Okay, so if you want to add more, just click here. But this is simple and cool. I like it that way. Okay. Then the next step you need to take is to click on send. Or if you want to preview how it will look like, click on preview. Okay, you can see how it's going to look on computer. Godwin Tech World Mobile Survey. Is Godwin Tech YouTube channel a good place to learn how to use Microsoft Word Mobile? Then the person will answer yes or no. Are you getting it? Then if you check here, you can see how it's going to look on mobile. Okay, but let's get back here and get back to our previous page. Good. Now the next step is to click on send. Look at the link generated for us. You need to copy this link to share to your audience. maybe in the posts community section of your YouTube channel, or maybe you can copy it and send to them on social media platforms. Okay, so or these are an options too. You can click on this email for your email account to be open automatically. Then you type a message and send this link to your different audiences that you want to participate in this survey. But here I'm okay with this copy option, so I'm going to send it to my audience on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and the rest of the platforms for them to go and vote. So once they vote, I will see the results. So the next step is to click on send. So this survey is now created and is being submitted. If you click here, you see responses. So far, there is no response already because I have not sent the link to anybody. But let me do that right now. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and communicate to one of my audiences through WhatsApp. What happens if you want to see the surveys you created later, maybe after 2 days or after 1 day, to see what people are saying about the survey you sent to them? So let me just close here and we are landed on OneDrive. For you to see the survey you created, all you need to do is to click on this app launcher. Okay, you can see where my cursor is. Once you click on app launcher, select the survey option. On this new page, just click on this name forms. When you do that, you will see some survey you created and some that are saved as drafts as well. So here now, this is saved as draft, so I don't need it. So I will remove it because I didn't structure it. So look at the one I just created now, Godwin Take Word Mobile Survey. So one person has responded to this survey. So let me just click on it to see what the person answered. Look at how the survey looked when we created it. Then I'll click on responses. You can see one person responded, and the person responded yes. So, and the person stated that Godwin Tech YouTube channel is a good place to learn how to use Microsoft Word mobile app. So, these are how you can create and save files on OneDrive. So you don't need to save them locally. So once you log in on your OneDrive, create the file type you want and it's automatically saved on your account. It's that simple. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss more on technology and software. So subscribe to learn as much as you can and grow in your knowledge. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this content. Does it help you or do you need something extra? Drop that in the comment section, okay? Hit that like button, please, for YouTube to recommend this video to more people that need to watch it, okay? Please don't leave without hitting it. It's very helpful to me, okay? So hit that like button to not take anything from you, okay? Have you done that? Okay, thank you. Watch this video to learn everything you need to know on how to use OneDrive effectively. Thank you and see you some other time.